Hello everyone, this is me Manish. Today I am going to show you how to install Magento 2 on an Ubuntu server. So this is the first part of my tutorial series on how to install Magento 2. So let's begin. First of all, we need a VPS. So you can use any of the cloud service providers such as AWS, Alibaba Cloud or DigitalOcean. I'm using Alibaba Cloud because it is comparatively cheaper than other cloud providers. You can use my referral link to get some discount as well while signing up the Alibaba Cloud. Now open your browser and search Alibaba Cloud. Open the first link that you have seen. If you haven't signed up yet, you can create your account easily. I already have an account, so I'm logging in. So to purchase a VPS from Alibaba Cloud, go to the console. Under product and services, search ECS. Here you can see Elastic Compute Service. Click on it. Here you can see instances on the left hand side menu. Click on it, and at the top right side you can see a create instance button. Open it. So yes, the main configuration page opens up. For the billing method, click on pay as you go model, but you can choose any one of the methods you like. Choose your nearest region. I'm choosing a Singapore region. For Magento, at least we need 2 virtual CPUs and 4 GB of RAM. So at least choose the minimum 2 virtual CPUs and 4 GB RAM. We are using Ubuntu for this tutorial. I'm using a latest version. This is only for the tutorial, so I don't need the higher storage. So you can always choose or increase later. So now click on networking. Below here you can see the hourly rates, which is comparatively cheaper. Now so I need to add a security group. I'm using a default security group here, which is automatically created by the Alibaba Cloud. So you can always configure your security groups. So click on system configuration. Here I need to add a password for later SSH to my VPS. So I'm also saving this password for later use. Okay. Copy pasting the password. Okay. Rename the instance name. I think I have done all the setup, basic setup for my VPS. So I have to accept the terms of service and create my instance. Here you can click a console button, and it will redirect it to my instances page. So copy my public IP address. Okay, so internet is the public IP address. I'm saving it as well for the later use. Okay, so now Now our VPC is all set up. Now we need to check if it is working or not. Okay, so I am opening terminal. You can use any SSH client. Here you can SSH by using a root user and your IP address. So the last thing is apt-get upgrade and apt-get upgrade to update and upgrade my VPS. Hence we successfully created a VPS on Alibaba Cloud. So the next part is setting up the server. I hope you like this video. If you have any problem, please let me know by commenting down below. Thank you.